From the hill country to the pine curtain and all the way down to the Western Rio Grande Plains, it doesn't take too long to be smitten with the Texas landscape. It's as diverse as the people that live here. Owning that land is a joy we here at Texas Farm Credit want you to experience. I'm going to walk you through some helpful tips on finding your little slice of the Lone Star State. There are many different types of property for sale, but I'll just be focusing on ranch and hunting land. Before I start seriously searching, I like to take a little road trip to scope out desirable areas. It's a good idea to visit the place you're interested in to get a feel for the area. As you do this, also be sure to pay attention to your specific requirements. For example, if you'd like for white-tailed deer and other wildlife to thrive on your land, you'll want to make sure there's plenty of vegetative cover for shade and protection. Or maybe you'd rather have wide open spaces for haying, a pond for cattle, or a pine tree lined view. This may also be a good time to contact your lender. It's best to do that early in the process to discuss loan terms, interest rates, and to set a budget. It will save you time in the long run. Once you determine your budget and decide what type of property you desire, it's time to find land for sale. I highly suggest using a website that is specifically geared to selling land. You're welcome to visit the Search for Property tab on our website. Texas Alliance of Land Brokers or Lands of Texas are just a few of my personal favorites. You can browse thousands and thousands of properties this way. Fair warning, it's easy to eat up hours and hours looking through all the land available in Texas. Be prepared for some unintentional late nights. Alternatively, there's plenty of printed publications that are a great resource, such as Texas Land, Texas Farm and Ranch, and the Real Estate Review. These are just a few examples, but many publications know the land markets well. Asking neighbors, family, and friends that own land is also a great way of gathering information. This option may not be the fastest or most efficient way to find land, but it can often lead to finding some hidden gems. Sometimes you might even find land that isn't on the market yet. Of course, you can always find a land broker. You'll want to find one familiar with the area you are interested in and preferably specializes in land deals. They will be a great asset to you. You may have a friend or family member that's an urban realtor, but they may not be the best option here. You want to find someone that knows the ins and outs of what good ranch and hunting land looks like and how to get this type of deal to the closing table. And finally, your local Texas Farm Credit is an excellent resource for guidance. Many of us own land, know the area well, and have a vast network of brokers that we know, trust, and have worked with for years. Please don't hesitate to give us a call. It would be our absolute pleasure to help you along your land buying journey.